The digital landscape has transformed dramatically over the past decade, reshaping how we create, consume, and share video content. Success in this evolving environment requires a deep understanding of fundamental principles that govern audience engagement and content effectiveness. Let's explore these principles in extensive detail. Understanding what makes content shareable requires diving into human psychology and social behavior. People share content for complex psychological reasons that can be strategically leveraged. Content that triggers strong emotional responses has a higher likelihood of being shared. These emotional triggers can be categorized into several key types: joy and positivity. Content that makes viewers feel uplifted tends to spread rapidly. Consider a series documenting random acts of kindness in different cities. Each episode might showcase everyday heroes making a difference in their communities, creating a ripple effect of positivity that viewers want to share. Awe and wonder. Videos that showcase extraordinary achievements or natural phenomena tap into our innate sense of wonder. A science channel might create content explaining complex astronomical events through stunning visualizations, combining educational value with visual impact. Nostalgia, content that connects viewers with shared memories or experiences, often generates strong sharing impulses. A food channel might explore the evolution of school lunches across decades, triggering personal memories and encouraging viewers to share their own experiences. People share content that aligns with their personal brand and values. This phenomenon can be broken down into several components. Knowledge sharing. When viewers feel they've gained valuable insight, they're more likely to share the content to demonstrate their own knowledge and help others. A financial education channel might create content about lesser-known money-saving strategies, encouraging viewers to share this practical wisdom with their networks. Value expression. Content that allows viewers to express their beliefs and values through sharing tends to perform well. An environmental channel might create content about innovative sustainability solutions, allowing environmentally conscious viewers to advocate for their values through sharing. Social currency. Sharing interesting or useful content helps people build social capital within their networks. A technology channel might create videos explaining emerging trends in artificial intelligence, allowing viewers to position themselves as knowledgeable and forward-thinking by sharing these insights. The strategic approach to collaboration. Collaboration in content creation is both an art and a science, requiring careful consideration of multiple factors for success. Identifying collaborative opportunities. The process of finding and evaluating potential collaborations involves several key considerations. Audience overlap. The ideal collaboration exists in the sweet spot where audiences share some common interests but aren't completely identical. A fitness channel might collaborate with a nutrition expert, creating content that serves both audiences while expanding each creator's reach. Value exchange. Successful collaborations offer clear benefits to all parties involved. A photography channel might partner with a travel content creator, combining technical expertise with compelling destinations to create content that serves both channels' objectives. Creative synergy. The best collaborations generate ideas that neither creator could execute alone. A music theory channel might collaborate with a history channel to create content about how historical events influenced musical development, creating unique content that draws on both creators' expertise. Advanced strategies for discoverability. Making content discoverable requires a sophisticated understanding of search behavior and content optimization. Search pattern analysis. Understanding search patterns involves several layers. Cyclical trends. Many search topics follow predictable patterns. A gardening channel might prepare seasonal content months in advance, anticipating annual spikes in interest for specific gardening activities. Emerging trends. Some topics surge unexpectedly based on current events or viral phenomena. A news analysis channel might create content explaining complex global events as they unfold, capitalizing on immediate interest while providing valuable context. Evergreen topics. Certain subjects maintain consistent search volume over time. A cooking channel might maintain a library of basic technique videos that new cooks consistently seek out, regardless of current trends. The art of accessibility in complex content. Making content accessible doesn't mean oversimplifying it. Instead, it requires thoughtful structure and presentation. Layered information delivery. Complex topics can be made accessible through careful organization. Initial context. Every video should begin with enough background information to orient new viewers. A history channel covering the Renaissance might start each episode with a brief timeline orientation, helping viewers understand where each story fits in the broader historical context. Progressive depth content can begin with basic concepts and progressively introduce more complex ideas. A mathematics channel might start with fundamental principles before exploring more advanced applications, allowing viewers to build understanding gradually. The impact of consistency. Consistency in content creation operates on multiple levels, each contributing to long-term success. Multi-dimensional consistency. Consider various aspects of consistency. Technical consistency. Maintaining consistent production quality helps establish professional credibility. This includes consistent audio levels, video resolution, and editing styles. Narrative consistency. Developing a consistent storytelling approach helps viewers connect with content. A science channel might consistently use analogies to everyday experiences to explain complex concepts, making difficult topics more relatable. Brand consistency. Maintaining consistent visual and verbal branding helps build recognition and trust. This includes consistent use of graphics, intro sequences, and presenter style.